If you love camping or just being outdoors and hiking and you know you're gonna be somewhere where you're gonna need some light, I have the coolest product right here. I've never seen anything like this. So at first glance, you're like, what in the world is this? It does come in this little bag right here. Everything fits. It folds up so small. This is definitely why it makes it so fantastic for camping, because it does not take up a lot of room. So basically, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna inflate this. So it comes with this like little pump. I've never done this before. So hopefully I know what I'm doing. It seems like we just pop that in here and then we just blow this up. So this, of course, obviously now it is inflated. This is going to now float. This is also waterproof, which I think is really cool. Like if you're out somewhere where it's raining, or of course it's gonna, you know, you're gonna get wet, however which way, your light source here is going to be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. So now we've got, it's just so funny looking, but this is really cool. So as you can see, there is a solar panel here, so you can charge it from the solar panel, but they also give you the cable here to charge it. And it's really cool because once you put it in here, obviously you have your, you're gonna go ahead and charge that, but they also give you the connector here if you don't have the right connection piece, so that you can obviously be able to charge it however which way you want. You can also then use this to charge your phone, which is, I think, is really cool, because you do have that solar panel there. If you're out somewhere and you have no other electricity, you can charge your phone from here. So basically, so I'm just gonna close this up here, turn this on, and then check that out. Now you've got this light. So you've got, and this cool, I mean, this one is more of like a kind of SOS, like, hey, I need some help. But yeah, so we've got 1, 2, 3 different settings, and then the SOS, or maybe if you just want to have like a party, you can do that as well. And it's got like a little like latch here. So if you're, okay, let me change the setting because I feel like that's not, there we go. This is our brightest. So you can have this if you're hanging up in a tent, or maybe you're just kind of sitting outside, you can kind of hang this from a tree and it's just going to give you all that light. I think this is really cool. I love how portable this is. Again, waterproof, solar panel, you've got the chargers and such like a easy little pump, and it folds up and everything fits in this little bag. This thing is fantastic.